Hobart front-loading dishwashers and glass washers. Before operating them, you should check a few basic things. The wash arms are in place and fixed, the filters or sieves are in place, and if it has a softener, that the cap is in place. Also, check the detergents always to ensure that you have sufficient to do your operation. If need be, check every few days and replace as necessary. To switch the machine on, single button, touch for 2 seconds. It will then demonstrate that it is filling, and the green light will continue until it's fully green, ready to operate. This takes a few minutes and will indicate that the temperature is ready. So you have your wash temperature at 60 and your rinse temperature at 80.